Maganda pag
Tama talaga yan. Lunch break.
I'm playing.
Are you playing Jack?
Yes. Obviously, yes. So what's the problem?
Yes, you know the rules. When you score a minute during office hours.
I finished all my work and so that.
Okay, fine.
No, I'm going with Derek. Okay, bye bye. Hey, Derek, aren't you happy yet? Still at the lunch break. Okay, I'm too happy. I'm going to the back. Okay, but are you sure you're not hungry? Yes, I'm fine. Don't worry. Okay, bye, Derek.
Hi, Derek. What do you want?
Who are you?
I'm Regine.
Genie? Are you crazy? What the hell in the world you're thinking that you're Genie? Are you crazy? Oh my God, you're beautiful. And yet, your costume, you're like a real Genie. Oh my God, that's me.
I'm a genie. I'm a real genie. I'm just proving your reality.
Then prove it.
Kiwi. Look at that.
And where?
If I'm not a genie, I can do it.
Cool. How did you do that?
See, I'm a genie. And if you want, I will guide you back. Move!
Does it mean I got 3 wishes?
Yeah, you know the drill.
Okay, wait, let me.
Hello? I'm waiting.
Wait, don't disturb my concentration. I'm thinking.
Time is running out, you know. Hello?
Quiet, please.
Hello? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, if you don't want, I will go back. Just round the sequence.
Wait. I know what I want.
What?
I want the perfect girl. Can you give it to me?
Okay, I'll do it.
Hi, little kitty.
Hi, Tara. Ano po ito?
Kitty. I want much older than that.
Okay, I'll do it.
Isa-isa pala. Genie. I'm not looking for like a senior. Genie.
What?
I don't need this one. Rana.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry for the interruption. Yeah.
Genie.
Okay, you're down to your one wish.
What? You're not fair. Hey, wait a minute. Can I get some wishes?
Okay, it's fine to me. Make it good this time.
Okay, wait. Let me think. I want the perfect girl. Not naman as that. And not as that naman like a senior citizen.
Okay,
Monroe.
Okay, your wish will be granted.
What's happening? I don't want her, and I don't like her. I want a perfect girl, a young girl, bright and sharp.
Okay, your wish will be granted.
She's very funny. Very funny.